Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to make Dum Aloo recipe. Here is the ingredient list: coriander leaves, tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies. Now we will chopped onion, chopped green chili, ginger garlic paste, tomato paste, chopped coriander leaves, cumin seeds, garam masala, a blend of spices, coriander powder, Kashmiri mirch, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, water. So these are the ingredients you will need. Now let's start cooking. Here's the karhai. Now I'm gonna add 2 big tablespoons of oil. For much more authentic flavor you can use ghee. And this is the key step of the recipe. Make sure the oil is hot once. Now it is hot. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and cumin seeds should splatter. Once it begins splattering, we are going to add chopped onions. Mix it well. Stir fry for a while. Add chopped green chili. Now let's saute. We just have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't have to cook it too much. As you can see, the onions are looking cooked. They are looking nice. Now it's time to add ginger garlic paste. Saute for a while. Make sure it should not stick to the karhai. Keep the flame low. Start adding all the spices: red chili powder, Kashmiri mirch, coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder. Now mix everything together. Add some water. Start mixing it really well. Keep the flame low. You can adjust the spices as per your taste. Now let it come to boil. Basically, your gravy should have small bubbles like this. You see the bubbles over it? This is perfect. This recipe doesn't take much of your time if you have all the ingredients ready and chopped. And the last thing to go is tomato paste. Adding tomato paste is very important. Cook for 2 minutes. If the kadai is moving, you can hold the kadai with one hand and keep mixing with other hand. Our gravy is almost ready. Now I'm going to keep it aside. So these are the boiled pricked potatoes having small holes. Take another kadhai, add all the potatoes and fry it. Our gravy is looking much more tangy. Now it's time to add all the potatoes. Now let it cook for 2 minutes. You can see I keep a balance. You can see the consistency. Now it is done. Garnish with coriander leaves. It's ready to eat. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified first for all my upcoming videos. I hope you like it.